guys, thank you for coming back to another video. Welcome, not thank you, like welcome to the video. Drake dropped a single, Slam You Out. Apparently he's dropping his full album this week, Friday, for all the dogs. I'm really excited for it. I'm traveling at the moment, so I don't have my mic, and I'm literally in the middle of a kitchen. And we did like so much shopping. And this is my friend. So it's very spontaneous, but we're gonna listen to the song and we're gonna see if it's a vibe or not. I haven't heard it, no, I haven't heard it at all. So I'm really excited. Like, I've been avoiding this song so I can do the album reaction, or not song reaction. Okay, let's do it.
I don't know what's wrong with you girls.
Drake is going through his salty era.
Like y'all don't need love. You need somebody
He's salty. Look at this.
Micromanage you. You know what I'm saying? Tell you right from wrong. Who's smart from who's a fool. Which utensil to use for which food. Like, I got a schedule to attend to though. I can't really.
Why do I feel like this is about Bobby as well?
Bitches really get carried away. Making mistakes, then you beg me to stay. Got me waiting on you like American tape. You got my mind in a terrible place. Whipped and changed you like American slave. Act like you not used to Sheridan States. I met the nigga you thought could replace. How would I even comparisons made? Bitch, next time I swear on my grandma. I'm slamming you for them kid choices you made. Slamming you out, slamming you out.
Okay, and that's the song's name, like Slam You Out.
Hey, this ain't the latest I could get on you bitches. Send wires on wires on wires like Idris. Lucky that I don't take back.
Why does it feel like it doesn't flow? Like, I'm like, this song doesn't flow. Like, I'm like especially this part, like it just, why does it feel like it's not on beat?
This ain't the latest I could get on you bitches. Send wires on wires on wires like Idris. Lucky that I don't take back.
It just feels so open.
I could have you on payment plan till you're 150. And my star right here, she got some boys for y'all niggas. So I'ma fall back and let SZA talk her shit for a minute. Slamming you out, slamming you out.
I don't even know. What does slam you out mean? Like, yeah, see what it means. Or I can open it here if you want. Okay, wait. To cover someone with negative comments. Sliming out mean to lose weight, to become thinner. No. Oh, that's slimming.
Damn, these niggas got me so twisted. How the fuck you so real, but play bitch on my line like if no burn it, could slime me out, pull up, go right about. Right, I got time, let's discuss all those lies about. Friend, I hear like you digging me out, and I ain't even coming, I'm in and out, and you ain't about the shit you rapping about, and I can spend the whole marrying it out. I'm going on like a sort of. You turn these hoes, you ain't cuddling. But with me and now, doing all that shit. You telling these hoes, you ain't tricking off. But with me and now, I'm gon' get it all out. You niggas get so carried away. Tripping when that dick is barely in third place. Fuck that up pillage, cute that
Love to let them know.
Deal cause it's mid acting fake like it's head. It's slamming you out. It's slamming you out.
It's weird. I don't like it. I don't like that. Yes.
Yeah. January, you pretend to see life clearly. Gilly.
I wish it dropped there. Like, yeah. January, you pretty soon, you know? Like, but it's so bland.
February is
This feels like Afrikaans white person food with no spice, nothing. It's just like this rice and chicken that's like unsalted. I don't know, I just don't feel like there's anything to this.
that you put the evil eye in
Drake, who hurt you? Who hurt you?
November got your mood board in for next year and you're single. December the gift giving month from now you wanna rekindle. Tryna build trust you with me.
Is this Spice coming? I don't know.
Bang you. Ironic how the news I got about you ended up being bad news. Get a nigga hit for 50 racks, girl, the beef cost like it's bagel. Get a nigga hit, I make his ass see the light like I have one. Shot the QC, pretty sure I made PMs like it's past noon. All I really know is W's and M's, life looking like a bathroom. All I really know is damn bags like I drove through and ordered fast food. Saying I'm too party with my feelings, who the fuck even asked you? 7 bodyguards just in case somebody really wanna try and crash through. Don't know why I listen to you when I hear you talking to me in some half truths. If I don't pay your rent, it end up like a whole hairstyle, girl, it's past due. If I don't...
Damn, Drake is mad, guys. Drake is. If you are watching this and you heard Drake, I need to know, like, who did this? Who did this? Okay, so Drake's salty. Maybe that's why he Bobby over. Anyway, I feel like Kayla was right. Like, this is the type of song, I think after a few listens of this song, it'll
It's not one
vibe.
of those ones that you like immediately like
No,
click to.
no.
Like, but then I feel like a lot of these music, like these albums, when you listen to them a few times, like,
It kind of
get
clicks.
the message.
Yeah.
And it's like, it makes sense.
Like, I feel like this will be the song I'll be like singing in the shower and not realize like it got stuck in my brain, and then I'm like singing it and then I start liking it. But now I just thought it would like slap harder. I don't think it was like, I expected a lot more. I think my expectations were like way too high.
He's always got some like really good very clever lyrics in there.
The lyrics are good. The lyrics are very clever.
I know like he's got ghostwriters, but like I don't know if he writes some of his own music or not.
Yeah. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'm really excited to see you guys on Friday when he releases. I'll probably record Friday or Saturday, depending what time he releases. And yeah, comment if you like the song. Like the video if you like the video. Subscribe. And we'll see you guys in other videos. We have a lot planned, so it's gonna be a fun time on the channel this week. Okay, bye.